Open up the piano and let's play You Are My King, Amazing Love by Chris Tomlin. Hi friends, I'm Patrina. Now before we break it down step by step, here is a quick demo. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to play too. G chord, right, left, right, and C. Right, left, right. Back to G, both. Right, left, right. D chord, both. Right, left, right. Same sequence. G chord, right, and back to C. 2, 3, and G again. Coming up and D chord. Half bar of C and half bar of D. And back home to G. Right, left, right. Alright, let's get started. Now first, I will show you the key of this song and which black keys we will be using. This song is the key of G major, meaning there will be one black key that will be used, and that is the F sharp. You will be able to see this F sharp coming out in the chords later on. There's a total of 5 chords for this song. Now for this song, we're going to keep it simple, everything in root position. The first chord, we have a G on B that's happening on our verse. So we have a G, B, D. I'm going to have my thumb 5 steps up from middle C. This is my middle C, go up 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to put my thumb there, finger 3 on B, finger 5 on D. And for our left hand, I'm going to keep 2 octaves down. This is a middle C, go down 1 octave, 1 note down, finger 3 over here. This is a G on B that's happening on the verse. Next chord, we have a root position also in the C major. I'm going to move my whole hand down to C, E, G. Finger left hand, I'm going to activate finger 2. This is our C major. And in the midst of the song, we have a G on D as well. Well, our right hand goes back to G, B, D. For our left hand, instead of B just now where we are covered, we are going to have our thumb on D. This is our G on D. Next chord, we have a D major where we're going to move our whole right hand down, D, F sharp, A. And then for our left hand, we have a D major. Now, these are D major in root position. And lastly, we have a G major in root position. Right hand move up again, G, B, D. Left hand finger 5. This is our G position. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice, switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Let's start with our chorus with our playing pattern, both, right, left, right. For every full bar, for our half bar is going to be a both and right. So let's try chorus slowly. First chord, G chord. Amazing love. How? C chord. Can it be? G chord moving up. That you, my king, would die for. D chord moving down. Me. G chord. Amazing love. I. C chord. No, it's true. G chord. And it's my joy to honor. D chord. You. In all, I. Half a bar of C where we're going to have a both and right. Do. Half a bar of D. I honor. G chord again. You. So let's try to play chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, G chord, and we go. Amazing love. How can it be? G chord. That you, my king, would die for me. D chord. Right, left, right. G chord. Both. Amazing love. I know it's true. G chord. It's my joy to all. D chord. You. In all, half a bar of C. Do. Half a bar of D. I honor you. Let's move on to our verse where we have many half bars. Now, playing pattern for a full bar is going to be a both, right, right, right. For our half a bar is going to be a both and right, which we are going to use often for our verse because there are many half bar chords coming up. So the first chord we have a G on B. I'm for G, half a bar of C, move down. Then B, half a bar of G on D, moving up, and then left hand have a D. Because you were for, half a bar of D again. Second, half a bar of G on B. I'm a half a bar of C. Third, half a bar of G on D. You were condemned, half a bar of D. And half a bar of G on B. I'm alive, half a bar of C. And well, you're half a bar of G on D. Spirit is within, half a bar of D. Me, because, half a bar of C. You died, half a bar of D. And rose again. One bar of G, both right, right, right. Let's try verse slowly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, G on B. I'm forgiven, G on D, because you were forsaken. G on B again. I'm accepted, G on D. You were condemned, G on B. I'm alive and well, G on D. Your spirit is within me, because C. You died, D, and rose again. G chord, both right and right and right. Then we move on to our chorus. For our bridge, we're going to keep the same pattern as our verse. Both right, right, right for our full bar. So let's try bridge slowly. First chord G. You are my C chord, king. G chord again. You are my C chord, king. Jesus. G chord again. You are my C chord, king. Now one bar of G on B. You are my, back to C chord again, king. Let's play bridge smoothly from G chord, both right, right, right. 1, 2, 1, 2, G chord, go. You are my king. And G chord, you are my king. Jesus, you are my king. G on B, you are my king. And that marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video.